Simon Tipton here, aka John Green.
Hi, I'm John
We're
Green.
talking about dystopias today. You know, we're out here, so we're talking about dystopias and what's in the books Harrison Bergeron and Brave New World. Yes. So, a dystopia is something like if I was oppressing him because of something or who he is. And that is what a dystopia is. If he was being oppressed, and if me the government, was hurting him the citizen, the lowly citizen, and me the government. Welcome to the crash course, baby. We're talking about dystopias today. You already know. Here with the T Squad, Noah T. What up, fam? Today we're talking about the characters that were the most successful heroes within their world of their dystopia and why. 3 W's, why, when, and where. Why and how does culture affect literature? How does our Simon Tipton here, welcome to the crash course, baby. Why and how does culture affect literature? How does our cultural perspective affect our interpretation of a text? How does the author's perspective affect our interpretation of a text? Why does society inevitably, in today's crash course, we're giving a basic overview of what a dystopia is, and we're going to talk about the common traits of dystopian fiction. Why is change so prevalent in literature? I mean, personally, I think it's because change is just something that happens, and obviously, during the course of a book, especially one about the government and people putting others down, that's just bound to happen. And so things go up, things go down. That's the way it affects our lives and also the way it is talked about in the text. So if you follow me, that's just what it's talking about. You know, because that's just how it works. The only constants is change. That's the only reason. What roles do change play in the scripts? Obviously, John Bergeron, Harrison Bergeron, you know, that guy, he's all about trying to change. So is the savage John in the book, Brave New World. Here, aka John Green. I kind of look like him.
You kind of do, actually.
Really? He has the glasses. Yeah. In most of these works, the quote-unquote hero will be the character with vitriol feelings towards the government. That's bad in most of these books. In Brave New World, Bernard stood out since after bringing back the Savage, he was more concerned with being a significant and being more worried about what the important people in the world think. Simon T Squad, baby. Alright, in today's crash course, we're giving a basic overview of what a dystopia is, and we're going to talk about the common traits of dystopian fiction. Thanks for watching. This is Simon Tipton. Next time, crash course number 2.
But we'll talk more about that next week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you then. Crash
Next
course
time.
Here in the chat and say
There's no number 2.
in Indianapolis, and it's
No, don't say that.
your support.
I mean it.
Patreon
No, don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say that.